Someone asked on the Facebook group what would be the best way to take a list of, let's say, niches and combine it with a list of cities to create a shortcode that would hit all combinations. So you could use what I've been telling people is this text mechanic tool, which I'll post a link below the video, text mechanic line combination generator. Basically what that's going to give you is a shortcode list that mashes the keyword and the cities. What I'm going to show you in this video is something a little bit different. It's using this and then also combining it with Excel to be able to split up the two. So basically you end up with a shortcode list of the niches and then also a shortcode list of the cities, but they match up one-to-one, so that way you could have full control of how you want to use those keywords, and that's going to make sense once I actually go through the whole video here. So let's say I've got a list of keywords and I added a comma right after each one, and that's going to make sense when I go over to the Excel part of it. But let's just load up the keywords. They each have a comma at the end. Then I'm going to have a list of cities here that I'm going to combine it with. I'm going to go ahead and generate the combinations. Notice that it gave me 1440 different combinations. I had 20 keywords, 72 cities, so I combined them all. We've got them all here. So now I'm going to take these values, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to jump over to Excel, I'm going to paste these in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the function where it splits the data, the text to columns, and I'm going to use that comma as the thing that splits it. So then when we finish it out, now we're left with two separate tables or two separate columns here. This is going to be your keyword shortcode pretty much. So you would take all these and scroll down to the very end. So you would copy all these and you would name this, the shortcode keywords, and then the same thing for the cities. And then when you're building out the pages, notice they match up one-to-one, so you're going to get every possible combination possible from the keyword list matched up with the city list. And that's, if I were to do a build like this is how I would do it, so I could have full control of where exactly I place that in my content. Because if you just had something that was the shortcode happened to be matched up with the city right away, it doesn't give you a lot of flexibility of how to insert that in the content. But now I can use the keyword and also the city anywhere I want to in that content, and make sure that it makes sense for all the different keywords. But that's the way I would create the shortcode list. So I'm left with a list of 1740 or 1440 lines on each and on both of those, so I know that once I hit build, I'm gonna get 1440 post.